Alright, I'm doing here a video of the vegetable juice that y'all been asking me about. It tastes really good, and it just consists of beets, celery, aloe vera, lime, ginger, apples, cucumber. Just get a couple of them and dice it up and throw it all in a blender, and I will show you right now what it looks like, and we'll get to it right now. And there you have it. That is the outcome. Add a little bit of water and blend away. And that is your end result right there. Alright, so at the end what I like to do is the little fibers from the vegetable. I like to squeeze them out with a strainer because I don't like that little taste in my mouth, that little texture. You put it in there and squeeze it through, get it right in there, and at the end when you're done, just get your little lemon, squeeze it in there, and that's it. You got yourself the fire vegetable juice. Oh yeah. All right. Ta-da!